How to take out the CD-DVD drive from this laptop. This is a Lenovo ThinkPad T420. Let's close the laptop, turn it over, and here we have this lock sign. Raise that up, it jumps back. So raise it up that way, and from this one you can just simply push out the drive, and the CD-DVD drive is taken out. This way is not coming out. You have to lift this one on the left, and then you can pull it out. And that's it.